She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, it's Alondra. Welcome back to the land. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I cleared my skin with shampoo. Yeah, shampoo. Y'all, before I get started in this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and if you like the video, share the video. Alright y'all, so to get started and like just jump straight in, I'm going to have pictures posted so y'all can actually see how everything was looking. My face was breaking out pretty badly for no apparent reason, just out of nowhere. I thought it was because of stress, because it was like heat rash all over my face. My skin was really oily and my face was really itchy. Like all the bumps itched really bad, but I don't know, I just thought it was regular acne. So as y'all know, I always use my St. Ives apricot scrub. I've been using this for years. I've talked about it in other hygiene videos. So I just went like ham on this, like using it more and more to like see if like maybe like it would just clear my skin. It wasn't working. Then I tried not using my moisturizer, using my moisturizer more, using it less. Nothing was working. My face was getting way more oily. I was getting more bumps on my face and it was getting more itchy and irritated. That's when I find out that what I had was not bacterial acne, it was fungal acne. And of course, I learned that from my daddy, Google. So after searching and stuff, I found out that it was a different type of acne, which I'm gonna have it like posted on here because I don't know exactly the name or how to pronounce it. And I'm gonna have an article linked below of like just more information on what type of acne it was. Fungal acne is also caused from like your diet. It could be caused from your environment. Like my climate is really humid. My moisturizer, like my face was overly oily, so that could play a part in it. That's when I found out about this shampoo. This is a dandruff shampoo, an anti-dandruff shampoo. Oh yeah, it is called Nizoral, and you can get this at Walmart, CVS, Target. You can get it online, pretty much anywhere they sell it. And y'all, this was literally a lifesaver. So online, it was saying to, you can of course use antifungal face creams or face washes, but you can also use the anti-dandruff shampoo because it contains ketoconazole, whatever that is. But that ingredient, it's an active ingredient in the shampoo, and that's what clears up fungal acne. It can be used to treat it. So what I did was I washed my face twice a day using this with like my little hand scrubs to like exfoliate my face. I did that about twice a day for like a week, 2 weeks. Literally by like the second week, my face was, the first week my face was clearing up. Second week it was clear. Third week, what acne, okay? It doesn't burn or anything. It's literally just like shampoo. It just feels like you're washing your face with like a lot of soap or whatever because it gets really soapy. So you only need a little bit of this. And I don't think you have to exfoliate. I just exfoliate because I'm extra and I like to like scrub my face and like make sure like it's getting in the pores or whatever. I don't know if exfoliating every day is like the best thing, but it just works for me. Since I've been using it, I haven't really moisturized my face that much. I use like a little bit of moisturizer, but to kind of keep down that fungal acne, what you can use is a non-oil moisturizer, and just stay on top of your diet, drink water, and basically flush your body out, you know. As y'all know, I'm always talking about in like my hair video how I'm always oily and like I'm just extra oiled up. So I think that really caused a lot of it. That's basically it. Really simple. I just came across this shampoo and it changed my life, okay? But yeah, that's basically how I clear my skin with shampoo. That's the shampoo I use. I've been using it ever since. Like now I use it about once every 2 or 3 days just because I really don't need it anymore. And like all the bumps have went away. The itching has stopped, everything. The oil is down a lot. Right now I have no makeup on. So this is how my skin looks after about 4 or 5 weeks of using it. If y'all found this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if y'all have had this acne problem before, or if so, if you've heard somebody, or if you have been like wondering what's on your face. Let me know if you've experienced something like this in the comments below. Anyways, make sure y'all subscribe on your way out, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.